evaluate the integral of x squared over 2 minus x squared dx. So we have rational algebraic expression which is improper because the degree of the numerator is 2 which is equal to the degree of the denominator 2. So let's convert this first to proper fraction by dividing numerator by the denominator. So let's divide x squared by 2 minus x squared, or I'll write it as negative x squared plus 2. So x squared divided by negative x squared, negative 1. Then multiply negative 1 times negative x squared, positive x squared. Then negative 1 times 2, negative 2. Then subtract x squared minus x squared, that's 0. Then negative of negative 2, positive 2. So this will be the remainder, positive 2. Therefore, we can rewrite the integral as integral of the quotient negative 1 plus the remainder 2 over that same divisor, 2 minus x squared dx. So we can distribute the integral symbol. So we'll have negative integral of dx, then plus 2 integral of dx over 2 minus x squared. So negative integral of dx, it's equal to x. Plus, how about 2 integral of dx over 2 minus x squared? There is already a standard integral formula for this. If we have the integral of du over a squared minus u squared, it's equal to 1 over 2a ln of a plus u over a minus u plus c. So we can pattern the given integral to this standard integral formula. We just rewrite this 2 as square root of 2 square. So we express 2 as an exponential expression having a constant base a raised to the second power. Or you simply get the square root of 2, and then you square it. Minus x squared. So we can pattern the given integral to this standard integral formula. We must have the value of a equal to square root of 2, and we have u equal to x. So applying this standard integral formula, we have 2 times 1 over 2a, 2 times a which is square root of 2, and then ln of a, again square root of 2, plus u which is x over a square root of 2 minus u x. And then simplifying, we'll have 2 times 1 over 2 square root of 2. So you cancel out the 2. Therefore, we have 1 over square root of 2 ln of square root of 2 plus x over the square root of 2 minus x. Or you can rationalize this, multiply by both numerator and denominator by square root of 2. So you have square root of 2 times 1 square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2, 2. ln of square root of 2 plus x over square root of 2 minus x. And then to find the final answer, we combine it with the first integral, the negative x. So we'll have negative x plus 2 square root of 2 over 2 ln of square root of 2 plus x over square root of 2 minus x. Then don't forget to put plus c for the constant of integration. So this is the final answer.